Hello guys, I want to show you how to do Rico body rotation animation kinds of video with your smartphone, and I'll be using Flipaclip app for this tutorial. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will get our notification once I upload a new video like this very one. So without further ado, let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So we are going to name our project. So I'll name it body turn. Okay, then I'm going to click on this place to import my background. So click over there to add your background. So I've already designed a simple background. Okay, so if you want to learn how to design any kind of background for animation, I have a tutorial video about that on my Telegram channel. So click the link in the description of this video to get access to my Telegram channel. So moving on, I'm going to click on create project. So now we are already created our project, so we have to import our characters. Okay, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character because I've already drawn the character we'll be using for this project. There is an app on my phone that allows me to easily design any character of my choice before I use them for animation. I have a tutorial video on how to create that on my Telegram channel. So I recommend you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel in order to access that very video. So we have already added our character now. So the next thing we have to do now, we have to add the in-between. Change from this side pose to a three-quarter pose. You know that for you to achieve a body turn, your character need to move from the side view to the, we have front view, we have three-quarter view. So this is the app, already added the three-quarter view. So I also designed this three-quarter view through that app. So if you want to learn how to make animation move on your smartphone, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach my students step by step on how to create cartoon animation videos. So it's available on my Telegram channel. So make sure you click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel and get access to my animation class. So we have already added the front view. You can see the front view. So animation is very easy. What you need to do is to generate your images in side view, three-quarter view, front view like we just did now. Then I'll add a next frame. So that next frame now it will also be three-quarter view, but it will be facing the other side. So that is how you will be able to achieve animation. So this is kind of adding in between. So we add in between of character moving from the front view, and when you add it, make sure that the leg are in a straight line. Make sure that your leg and shoulder are in a straight line so that you achieve a smooth animation. You understand? Please, I have something to tell you. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to this channel up till now, please do so. Click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it so that you will get our notification whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, but I just did the main thing, which is ensure that you add all the poses. We have the back view, so this is the back view now. So you add the side view, three-quarter view, front view, three-quarter, and make it to face the other side, and then add the back view. So when you do all these things, you'll be able to achieve a smooth animation. Okay, so at this point I'll go and copy that side view I added. So I'll copy the side view. So use your lasso tools to select it, then click on that copy icon over there, and then go to the end frame and then paste it there. Understand? So I'll go to the end frame and paste that side view so that this thing will be a cycle. So the body will now rotate in 360 from the side view to the three-quarter view to the front view and to the back view. So guys, that is how you do the animation. It's going to be frame by frame. Okay, so at this point now we are going to kind of play the video. You see you see that our character was able to rotate very smoothly. So animation is very easy, guys. Okay, main thing for you to grab in this video is whenever you are doing your body turn, make sure that the leg and the shoulder are in a straight line so that when they play the video, it will look smooth. Understand? So that is how you do the animation. Okay, it's very easy. So you can now go ahead and do your own body turn. It's very easy. So I'm going to export the video. So click on that three dot and then click on make movie. I'm going to export this video right now. Okay, so I'll export it. Click on make movie and then automatically the video will now export. You can now play it and then share it on your social media platform. So let's play the video. You see animation is very easy, guys. Okay, it's very easy. That's how Rico animation does their own. So you can go ahead and do your own. So now we have animation class where we go into depth and teach you step-by-step process on how to create cartoon videos either with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, so join my telegram channel and then contact me from there. So I will give you access to the course, to the animation class. All right, that's all about this video. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and also please like this video so that I will continue creating more animation tutorial videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on my next video.